How do? Just a really quick update. Coming to the van, it's been sun shining and it is produced, oh god, 2.5 amps, 13.4 the battery now, 0 going out, 13.4 available to run. So needless to say, I'm very happy with that. Very happy. That is the first time it's been over 12.4, I think it is, without the engine running, you know, with the split charge relay, sorry, the volt sensitive. Yeah, I'm really happy. Today I'm going to be hiding these cables. I'm not going to film it because all I'm doing is a bit of ducting. If you can't do that, then you can't do that. Right, get on with that. That's what I ended up doing. Bit tidier, innit? Oh, a lot tidier. Yeah. These have little holes in, so I've actually screwed them. Yeah, be okay that, won't it? Right, more of an update on how the panels are doing. .3, 0.2 amps, 0.3 amp going into the battery. That's cool. It looks like the red warning light's on, but it's just because of the light. You know what I mean? If I turn that off, there, it's not on. Okay, wonder what this is reading now. 12.7, and it's, what were it? 13, so it's 3 out, 0.3 out. How do? No matter how good you are, I'm not saying I'm good, but I know what I'm doing. Regarding water ingress, I've got some more ingress now. Regarding this van, before I started, there were that much. It's really inevitable, really, that you're going to miss something. And I couldn't have missed in a worse place, really. But I think I've found where it's coming in, and it's just a minor repair, hopefully. I'm just hoping that's where it's coming in. I'm going to show you now where it's coming in anyway. That, there you can see where paper's going, look. Look at that. Right, now it goes all the way down here. It's going down behind the curtain, look, you see. Down behind the curtain to there. And then what's happening then, it's running across to here, but it's now going down there. But like I say, I think I've found where it's coming in. Like I say, it's, well, what do you say, 6 inch from the edge of the window. So, and I'll just show you anyway. Right. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. It's not focusing. Oh, there it is. Right there. There's a crack going all the way down here. I don't know if you can see it or not. See if I can focus. There. See that crack? Right there. Right, so what I'm going to do is put some filler in, well, some sealant, and see if that cures it. Right, a bit crude, but it'll work. It's Tiger Seal. It's the only thing I had. So we'll see how it goes on.